Here are some steps to create custom invoices. 1. Sign up or log into your account at tool44.com. 2. Once logged in, click on the Finance tab in the left side menu. 3. Inside the Finance tab, select the Invoice option from the left side menu and click on it. 4. Here you can see lists of your invoices, including custom invoices, order invoices, and booking invoices. 5. To manage your invoices, you have several options. Edit. If you need to modify any details of a specific invoice, locate the Edit icon, usually represented by a pencil or an Edit button, next to that particular entry in the list. Click on it to make changes to the invoice. This will allow you to update the invoice details, such as customer information, items, services provided, and pricing. Delete. If you want to remove an invoice from the list, find the Delete icon, usually represented by a trash can or a delete button, next to the respective entry. Click on it to delete the invoice. Confirm the deletion when prompted. View. If you want to view the details of a specific invoice, look for the File icon, usually represented by an eye or a View button, next to that entry. Click on it to preview the invoice. You can view the invoice in a printable format or as a PDF file. 6. To add a custom invoice. In the top right corner of the page, you will find buttons specifically designed for adding invoices. Click on the relevant button to create a new invoice. Fill out the required forms with the necessary information related to your custom invoice. This includes customer information, invoice number, date, items, services provided, pricing, and any additional notes. Once you have provided all the necessary details, click on the Submit button to save the custom invoice. Your new invoice will be added to the list of your invoices. 7. To download and preview your invoice. Locate the desired invoice in the list and click on the file icon next to it. 8. You will have the option to download or preview the invoice. Choose the desired option to view or obtain a copy of the invoice. Please note that to create a professional and comprehensive custom invoice, it's essential to ensure that you have previously added your company details.